In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find recently watched videos on YouTube. Maybe you watched something really helpful yesterday, or you found a great song but forgot to save it, and now you can't remember the title. The good news is, YouTube automatically keeps track of what you've watched, and you can get back to those videos in just a few clicks. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through that process slowly and clearly so you can follow along on your own device. First, open your web browser and go to the YouTube website. You can simply type youtube.com into the address bar and hit enter. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account because your watch history is tied to your account. If you use more than one account, double check which one is active by looking at the profile icon in the top right corner. Once you're on the YouTube homepage and signed in, you're essentially on your YouTube dashboard. This is the main screen where you see suggested videos, subscriptions, and other content. Now we're going to move over to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. On the left, you'll see a vertical column with several options like home, shorts, subscriptions, and so on. In that list, look for the option labeled history. It usually has a small clock icon next to it. Go ahead and click on history. As soon as you click it, YouTube will take you to a dedicated history page. Here you'll see a chronological list of all the videos you've recently watched while logged into that account. The newest videos appear at the top, and as you scroll down, you'll see older ones. From this page, you can click on any video to play it again, or open it in a new tab if you want to keep your place in the list. You'll also see options to clear all watch history, pause watch history, or remove individual videos if you don't want them to appear there. That can be useful if you share a device or just want to keep your recommendations cleaner. And that's it. By going to the YouTube homepage and clicking on history in the left-hand column, you can quickly find and revisit your recently watched videos whenever you need them.